How to convert your PDF file into editable Word document. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can easily convert your PDF file into editable Word document. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So to convert your PDF file into editable Word document, first of all you have to open your Google and here you have to search for I love PDF. This is the website where you can convert your Word document into PDF or PDF into Word document. So click on I love PDF and here you have to convert PDF to Word. Click on it and click on select PDF file and click on media picker, and from here you have to select the PDF that you want to convert to Word file. Click on this and click on convert to Word. And you can see I have successfully changed my PDF file into Word document. Click on download Word and click on download and click on open details, and from here you can see I have successfully changed my PDF file into an editable Word document. If I want to edit this document, I will just click on this pencil icon, and from here you can change any text that you want. For example, I want to change this text, so I will change according to my choice. So guys, in this way you can convert your PDF file into editable Word document very easily. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.